This is the Wayne Cook posture alternative. You can do this standing or you can do it sitting. So if you're at work and you want to be a little bit not so obvious, you just cross your ankles and then you put your arms out, cross them, turn, grab, pull up, and then you breathe. Remembering to straighten up the spine. And remember to belly breathe. Don't just fill up the chest cavity. Fill up the stomach. Release. Now release your ankles. Switch and put the other ankle on top. And put your other arm across. Bring it in. If you're unable to do that, that's okay. One side is fine. Some people have a hard time doing this part. That's fine. Just put your hands together the best way you can. Don't hurt yourself. Separate your ankles. Separate your hands. And when you're sitting at a desk, you can just go like this. And they say, "What are you doing?" You say, "Oh, just taking a break. Just taking a break." Everybody understands stress, so they're just assuming that you're doing nothing. Again, I want you to breathe in and out 3 to 7 times for each position that you do.